In this video, we talk about how to remove background noise in Filmora 12. So open your Filmora and drag and drop your project and then select your clip right and then increase your volume and first click on auto normalization to normal your video. Again increase your dB right and then select your audio right and then scroll down and from here you see the normal denoise right. So first enable it and the normal denoise will be applied. So I play it. In this video we talk about, now I click on the mid. Hello student, in this video we talk about how to grow art and now click on the strong. Hello student, in this video we talk about how to grow audio and video. So I advise you to use the low normal denoise or the mid normal denoise. If you use the strong denoise in Filmora 12, so it will be reduce your audio quality. So it is a method how to denoise your background noise in Filmora 12.